What's up, everybody? I'm Chad, and I'm here at Motion Raceworks. We're going to show you around the shop today. It's Wednesday, so it's donut day, meeting day, so you get to see all that too. What up? What up? What's up?
Oh, hey.
Ooh, got the catch cans ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Oh, wait, I wrote this one.
Don't take that one.
Don't take that one. You don't need that one.
That one? There's one homie left, Rock.
One homie?
No, can't call bitch in the office.
Johnny, eat it.
No, I'm not gonna do that. I won't be that guy.
I am gonna take this seat though.
I got him just for Brock.
Fire rabbit.
Oh, hey, man. You come in for slabs. That thing is too big on that.
Big old loose slab.
That laptop?
This bitch has sound.
Andy wouldn't have YouTube Premium and have to watch ads.
Fuck has YouTube Premium.
Sales account. FYI. And this computer works, so. You don't hear shit. I'm gonna ask you one time.
I'm doing a little thing where I'm going around and talking to you guys,
Yeah.
and we're putting that kind of in, and then with Bald Regal stuff too, so people can get an update on what's going on.
So it's going to kind of transfer away from
Well,
the Bald Regal.
it's going to be a little of both, and then until we get the next project going.
I always
did
cut
good
them. I
move.
just don't remember cutting them at 15. Maybe. If we have some.
Okay.
15?
15.
How many you want? 400?
4,000.
4,000?
Yeah.
What's that compute to?
Shaft so I can tell
A
Brian.
lot.
All right.
Just trying to work with these yahoos talk about shafts.
It's supposed to be summer. This is dumb. What's you making more of today?
Steam vent.
Oh, the blocks?
Steam vent blocks.
Nice.
Wow.
How many do you think you make of those a day? 150?
I don't know.
200? A million?
I've made 1,000 so far.
Whoa.
Ship to your door. "23 minutes, you get 15 of them.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
What are these ones for? What are these ones for?
These are for S5. No. 5th gen.
5th gen.
5th gen Camaro. We gonna get you welding today?
Am I gonna be welding?
Yeah.
Are you gonna show? If you want to show me, that would be fun. I mean, I've screwed up all of these 5th gen Camaro parts.
You can't screw it up.
I can't screw it up?
No.
Is that a dare?
You literally cannot screw them up. I mean, you could screw them up, but you can always fix it.
Fixable.
Always fix it. Everything's fixable.
Alright, show me.
What?
Show me.
You want to try one?
Yeah.
You have a helmet. God, it's gotta be fucking awkward, that big old cap on.
There we go.
Is that a ski mask?
No, it's just got a hole in it.
Are you sure?
Oh yeah.
Are you robbing places?
Well, on the way home.
So you have your pedal here.
Oh, there's a pedal.
Yeah.
Alright.
And that turns the welder on.
Okay.
So you'll just mash it.
Mash it.
Mash it,
To
yeah.
the floor.
And once you start to see the metal melt,
Yeah.
you just
Push
start
that
dipping
in more.
it.
Yeah.
You'll start melting it. And then you'll dip this
Oh, so I'm not actually touching anything.
Nope. You don't want to touch this anything, or else
All right.
it won't work.
Good thing I asked then. Huh?
Real cool. Like both pieces of metal are turned like, or it gets them hot enough, it turns into a liquid pretty much before you start dipping this in.
Yeah. So it's kind of like how if you're soldering wire, you know,
Yeah.
you gotta heat both up.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Same concept pretty much. Easy peasy.
Look at that.
You wanna try one?
All right. Let's do it.
Alright.
Doesn't matter how I hold this at all.
You can, I hold it like kinda like a pencil. I mean you can,
Like this.
like that. Yeah, just like that. Oh god.
Am I doing it weird?
Well, no, I mean,
How far down should I go? Like here?
no. Just do it right up top there.
All right.
You got the pedal all the way down? There you go.
I went back.
What? Yeah.
I did a really shitty job.
There's only one way to learn.
Right.
Have you ever welded before?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, you didn't get any of it. That's what you need to fucking start out on, is MIG welding.
Then you just pull the trigger. Tyler, my man! Dude, whatever Tyler puts in the cart, it just shows up. It's all free.
What you doing over here, Dad? Something secret?
Actually, our somebody gave us a little tip that our Coyote smart coil kits would fit on a mod motor, so I'm just testing them out.
Nice.
That's a game changer right there. New part, we don't have to redesign it. I like it. That'd be cool.
Are you a welder, Brady?
No, I saw you though.
Have you ever welded before?
I welded a little bit. Not like that. I didn't MIG, not TIG.
You're not done with those yet?
No.
Never.
No. Takes a little while.
And you've got a few, right?
Yeah, and I still have those left to go. And then I've got to put all the, I've got to flare them and put all the fittings and stuff on that, so.
Did you actually get some done now that I wasn't
Yeah.
bugging you?
Yeah, they're all done. I bet you couldn't find the one you even did.
All right, Chad.
All right.
These are,
Top secret?
no. These are pallets for drive shaft wheels.
Oh, nice.
If that's something that you want to track your data for your drive shaft, this is what's going to get you.
We're gonna get you there. Oh, look at these.
Look
Get a
at
bunch
those.
more of these. These made. What are these called now, Lucas?
Billet water pass-throughs. You can put these on your firewall.
Uh huh.
So then shit can pass through it, like water and water.
Water.
We have one on the Blad Regal.
The Blad Regal.
I can't stop calling it
They're
that.
clowning on James.
See you, James.
Oh boy. What are you eating for lunch, Lucas?
Lasagna. Why?
I'm just curious.
It was for my birthday.
Oh
My
yeah,
mother-
yesterday was your birthday.
My mother-in-law made it. Gooder than good.
Did you do anything special for your birthday?
Yes. No.
No, not at all. Just sat home and cried again.
I didn't. I don't cry at home. That's you.
Oh yeah.
Can't see those tears behind the lens.
I go into the basement and cry at home.
Do you actually?
I mean,
You have a basement?
I do have a basement. Done like since the COVID thing with your school. Does that make it worse or?
I don't know. It's been kind of weird. It's been kind of hard not like being face to face with group members and stuff like that. I don't know. And I'm so brain dead with it right now anyways. It's mush, and I just want next Friday to be here.
What's the next Friday? Is that the end?
It's when this is all due. Then I still have another week, because then my test through the state is the following Friday, as long as it doesn't get postponed again.
Do you have to go somewhere to take the test?
Right now I'm set up at a bank on Kimberly Road. From all other kids that have taken it, they're high security when you're in there. Like, you can take your calculator, but with no back. You can take your ID, but not your wallet. You can take
weird.
a jacket, and it's palm scan in and out. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, they're not playing around, I guess.
Jeez.
Apparently someone
Like
thought they were going to try and cheat it, or I don't know.
Here are a bunch of parachute mounts that are about ready to go out. Ooh, what are you measuring out there?
Some good old 8AN hose.
Boy, come here. This package right here, it's going down under.
Whoa, Australia.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
A couple more donuts for lunch and we're good.
I'll do a birthday donut.
Birthday brownies?
Yep. My favorite thing to do is eat donuts.
Eating donuts? Doing
Might as
donuts?
well do a donut.
Ah, if we had any donuts left, you could eat a donut while doing a donut.
What, they're all gone?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good the good stuff.
Two burnouts now? Okay.
Surprisingly, this might be one of the only G bodies left in existence that doesn't need a screwdriver to open the trunk. A lot of people ask why we're running C16 on this thing as opposed to D85. C16 actually has is designed for supercharger applications with high intake air temps, so makes it a little less prone to detonation and stuff like that. So with this thing being a blower and long burnouts and long donuts where it's getting really hot, we don't know if the ice is going to last forever. We figured it'd be a good safety net so we don't have to change the engine out all the time. It's not like we're driving down the street anyways. Gonna do some donies.
Wrong way.
It really doesn't scream much for these.
Yeah.
Birthday donuts.
When it sounded like it was breaking up. Was it like uncovering the fuel, or were you rounding it?
I think I'm opening somebody up. Is that a hard breath opener?
Yeah.
You always do it again,
I would
right?
say it's easily going to do everything we want it to do.
Yeah.
And put on a show.
Yeah. It's gonna do that.
Andy, did you get a video or not?
No, he was too scared.
He's too scared.
The van.
Somebody's got to be the voice of reason around here.
Now Andy
It's
turned
not
on his
going to be
head.
me.
Didn't know I couldn't do donuts.
You know, if the
I'll pay to
quarantine,
plow
we
all
would have
that.
been in Bradenton, Florida right now if the quarantine wasn't happening. So.
You just email them back and say, I'm sorry, I thought
Email
this was
him back, we'll
America.
cover problem stuff.
Yeah, I was just trying to like make sure the wheels were all stuff.
got it. Just
I'll
gonna
pay
flip
for the
it.
plow.
Yeah.
Doing. Yeah. She's a ripper.
It really, it wasn't even any throttle to do that, so it's gonna be really
got
fun. Thanks, Herb.
Probably not a good choice.
Saved it.
I think that's bending worse.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
probably some zip tie on it.
It probably banged pretty hard off the rubber.
Okay, it's through the brake line.
It just kind of like,
Yeah.
like real quick. And then I don't know if you let off or if, like,
Yeah, I was used. We can zip tie it like here. I didn't want to ride. I didn't want to ride one here.
That was just funny the whole time when you're sitting there just and this thing's just rocking.
You missed the donny?
I seen the smoke from the interstate, but I thought the building was on fire.
I didn't see anything. I rolled in, and then I seen the dust trail in here. I'm like, oh no, that was us.
It was a good birthday present for myself.
Yeah, happy
Birthday
birthday.
donut.
Should have done one of that. That's great.
I can't wait.
You better do donut the whole way leaving, just to burning.
I might.
Yeah.
We might smoke out the whole building with that one. Just back it up here.
Out the door.
Right out the door.
No.
Let's see
Yeah.
if the cops show up, and then if they don't, then we're good. A lot of times they give you donuts in the car to snap the steering wheel back. This one has so much control, I don't know why.
You just let it go and it just comes
yeah, with
back.
power steering, it like doesn't try to control the
It doesn't
wheel.
snap back and forth,
Yeah.
like a
It's
manual
just
bike.
meant to be a donut car.
It's meant to be a donut G-body.
Happy birthday,
This
Doug.
isn't a good look for me.
Oh, it's perfect. Look at this. It's a bunch of ranch.
Hooters wings, yep.
Wait,
Oh yeah. This is the one thing I've learned about working here is there's always some sort of snack somewhere. to do. Yeah, I had the same thing happen.
It's like a toupee.
Oh, Jimmy.
all right, that's it. I'm done. Done for the day. Leaving. I hope you enjoyed the tour of motion. Ding. I make sound effects sometimes. See ya.